How to delete footer menu of Shopify store in Dawn theme. The footer menu, by the way, is at the bottom of your page, as you can see right here. I'll be showing you how to delete and also how to edit it. The first thing you want to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on your admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there, you're going to tap on content. After tapping on content, I want you to select menus. Once you have selected menus, from there you can see footer menu. After tapping on footer menu, from here, if you would like to edit it, you could do that. So for example, you could add in menu item. By tapping on menu item, you could add something to the footer menu section if you wanted to. And if you would like to, for instance, remove the search bar, you can do that by simply tapping on the trash can. You could remove the search bar, then you will tap on save. So that's one way how you'll be able to edit your footer menu on your Shopify store. Another option is by tapping on online store from the left hand column, and this is going to automatically carry you to the themes page, and you're going to tap on customize. Once you have tapped on customize, what you could do next is you can tap on footer section. After tapping on footer section, it will carry you to this page and you can see different editing options. Now, if it is a case that you would like to remove powered by Shopify or privacy policy, I'll be showing you how to do that also. All you need to do once you're back on your online store theme page, you're going to tap on the three dots. Then you're going to tap on edit default theme content. Once you have tapped on that, so let's say for example's sake, what you would like to remove is powered by Shopify. All you need to do is simply tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to type in powered. So you can type it in right here. And you'll see the option powered by Shopify, and you could remove it. So to remove it, you'll simply tap on the box, then tap on space, and you're going to select save. So that's how you'll be able to remove powered by Shopify. Now, if I were to refresh this page, you can see that powered by Shopify is no longer there. And if it's a case that you would like to remove the privacy policy, although I would recommend that you leave the privacy policy as is, but if you would like to remove it, you could do that also. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on the three dots once more, tap on edit default theme content. Then you could tap on the search icon and you could type in privacy. So you could type in privacy right here. After you have done that, you will see the option privacy policy. And all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down. And from there, you can remove the privacy policy disclaimer by simply tapping right here. But I would recommend that you leave it as is. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to delete footer menu on Shopify Dawn theme.